guys, I got mail. I am so excited. And the reason I'm excited is because as a full-time RVer, I am not always in a place where I can get mail. So this is the first time I was able to order from PeachyCheap, and I did. I picked up the Simple Stories Winter Wonder assortment, and I'll show you everything that I got. And I'll tell you a little about how I get mail as a full-time RVer. Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Album. So this is the first time I ordered from PeachyCheap. I was laying out all of the bits and pieces to see what came in. 66 pieces from the Winter Wonder collection. You know, what do you see automatically when we go to this? It's a winter collection. It's got pinks and oranges and greens. I mean, blue is normal, but there's not that much blue in it. I think it's a fabulous winter collection. So this is the bits and pieces. There's 66 pieces. I can't wait to play with this. Let me clean this up and show you what else I got, and I'll tell you how I get my mail. All right, that's all cleaned up. And now I'm going to answer the question that most people ask when they find out we're full-time RVers. How do you get your mail? I have been full-time in my RV for, well, since 2019. We sold the house and then we bought the RV. So I live, travel, and craft in my RV. I have a studio, which is where I'm talking from. By the way, these are glitter enamel dots. Aren't they pretty? I don't think you can see the glitter. Even if I took it out of the packaging, I don't think you could see the glitter. Take my word for it. There's iridescent glitter in there. So, yes, the main question is, how do you get your mail? Let me ask you first. If you were to ask me that, I would say, what mail? So what mail do you get that you need to get? Birthday cards from my mother-in-law is probably the only thing that I miss getting. Most of our banking, health insurance, financial affairs is all online. There is nothing that can't be done online these days, with the exception of getting a physical driver's license or plates for our RV and truck. And the as I flip through here and look at all these fabulous words, this is great for ephemera, isn't it? There's Chasing Snowflakes, Magic of Winter. I'm going to have more here than I'll have paper for. I can tell you that right off. There's more stuff here. Love all the layers. But it's very thin. It's like copy paper weight. Really thin. Even thinner than the copy paper I use. We have a domicile. So we have an address where all of our things are based: our driver's license, our registration, our health insurance, our taxes. And our driver's license and tags will be sent to the domicile. And then we have a mail service, which actually is in Texas, and everything gets sent to there. That is our address, that, like, our bank. Not that we get bank statements because everything's online. But, you know, that's just the address, our mailing address. So everything would be sent there. Love all these snow people. Aren't they great? It's hard to see because there's a white background. But aren't they adorable? Anyhow. So our mail gets all sent to Texas. And then when we want, we'll request the mail be sent to us wherever we are. So they'll ship it out. We can ask for it for 1 day shipping, but usually we're not in a rush. So every month or every 2 months, we'll get our mail. We don't get junk mail. The mailing service doesn't send us junk mail. They shred the junk mail. So if I had known that earlier, I would have done it years ago. All right, I'll flip through the paper and I'll continue talking about mail because you can see what's in the paper. So really, that's about it. Now, suppose we want to get packages. Well, if we're traveling, we can ask that it get sent to the campground we're going to be at, if the campground allows that. Or there are Amazon drop boxes, which we could use. There are like UPS stores that some will do it for you. Some will charge a fee. I mean, most will charge a fee. There's friends. A lot of times we have mail sent. If I know I'm going to go out to Oregon, go see the daughters, we'll have stuff sent to them. And then there's always general delivery at the post office. If we know it's going to come, or USPS, we can have it sent to a particular post office that we know will do general delivery. Go there and go pick it up. And we're back to the beginning. And do that. Most of the time, things can be sent to the campground. This past year, we stayed in 36 places in 4 months, so we were on the move, so we didn't get too many packages, but we did see family during that time, so we were able to get deliveries there. The upcoming year, we're heading to the Northeast, and we'll be at a campground for most of the summer, and they will allow us to get mail there, so I can have deliveries sent there. But I've never ordered from PeachyCheap, so I thought it was worth the try to see what is all in the package. I want to know how long it takes to get, and it does take a little while. It took them 3, 4, maybe 5 days to ship it out. But, you know, if you're not in a rush for it, that's okay. I love what I got. It was $14. It's a great value. I wish I was able to get coordinating solids or even some 12 by 12 paper, because I have more ephemera and stuff than I have paper. I probably could make 3 projects out of it if I had more paper, but that's how it goes. And that is my little PeachyCheap haul and my explanation of how to get mail as a full-time RVer on the road. Thanks so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.